Just one click and boom, the entire client information moves from one place to another without any manual work required, without any heavy automation, and without any fancy setup. So let me show you exactly how. So this is an example of client onboarding. As soon as you onboard a client, here's how things move across the system. So first you can see inside the client portal proposals. Okay, we have only two entries here. Now I am moving on to the CRM, and here you can see we have an entry of max that it shows that we won the deal is closed. So I would go here and I would add the proposal with the client name and mark it done. Okay, so now we'll go back to the client proposal and you can see we got the automatic entry here of max with all the major details like the client name, the with the services he opted for, and his and the next part is the client proposal template is ready as well. So now you will make the changes and just send it to the client and you're good to go. And similarly, now I would go to the uh, CRM. Firstly, I would show you inside the client portal. We got only these five entries before. Now I want to add the client portal of this new client as well. So I will just mark two steps here, like just two clicks. So firstly, I will add a club page with the max name inside the client portal. Done. Okay. So now we have the client details already added here that we got during the, let's say, sales call process. So here I would go to this client portal part. I would select the page of Max that we just added here right now. So I will link the page. Now let's move on to the client portal part, and like, yeah, here we can see Max. So I'll click here and we'll get inside. You can see, boom, all the details regarding the client have already been moved from the CRM to the client portal part. Okay. If you are looking for interconnected workspaces like this inside Notion to grow your agency, you can directly reach out to me by email or LinkedIn. Thank you.